Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the course. Alright, so in this part I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create a logo. Okay, so basically there are two paid versions, alright, and they are both outsourcing via platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which are actually both freelancer platforms. Okay, and the last version is actually a free version. Alright, it's actually doing it via Canva, a website software that allows you to make any type of logos that you want. Alright, so I'm going to dive into this. Okay, so this is actually fiverr.com. Okay, as you scroll down, right, you realize that in this website there are many freelancers down here. Okay, you can actually have your graphic designs done here also. Let's say you want to get your logo done here, you want to get your illustrations done here, or flyers and brochures done, it can be done here. Okay, even digital marketing you can actually outsource down here. All right, so video animation also. So basically you can outsource many things down here. Okay, so right now you need to pick a freelancer to do your logo, right? So I'm actually gonna just pick one. Alright, so how to actually pick someone that's reliable? You basically look at the number of reviews that they have. Alright, you can actually see down here it's actually 202, and this is 422, and this is 31. Alright, so for simplicity stakes, right, I'm just gonna stick to this lady. Alright, okay, so basically she provides all this package down here. You can see the premium package, the standard package, and the basic package. Alright, all comes with different conditions. Alright, so before you actually get your logo to be done by her, right, you can actually click contact her first. Alright, so let's say you can ask her like, hi, could I get this type of logo done here? And you can actually attach your requirements down here. Alright, and you can actually send to her. So once you've done so already, right, she'll actually reply you. So I'm gonna demonstrate, show you an example of how I outsource my logo. Alright, so I go to messages. Okay, so I go to inbox. Okay, outsource to this lady down here. I will click her. Okay, so this is my conversation with her. Hi, I would like to do logos with you. Are you trustworthy? Okay. So I will go to use past order. Okay. This is actually my order. Alright. So basically what happens, right, is that okay, I actually had a conversation with her. Alright. I paid $21 to do a logo. Okay. And after that I gave her my requirements and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna scroll up. Okay, so I paid $21, and then she asked me for all these details. Okay, and yep, I constantly revise the logo with her. Alright, so basically at this portion down here, right, you can actually see the things that you can do after you place the order. And lastly, at the end of the day, right, after constant revision, right, I got my final logo. Alright, so this is it for Fiverr. Okay, it's really very cheap down here, so I suggest that you guys can actually outsource your logos here. Alright, the second one is actually Upwork. Alright, Upwork is a platform that is similar to Fiverr, so I'm not going to touch too much into it. Okay, and lastly, this is Canva.com. Okay, Canva is basically a software that allows you to do any type of graphic designs that you want. Okay, so let's say you want to make a logo down here, you actually see its logo. Okay, let's say I'll just pick a random one. Alright, say okay, I think I like this. I'll pick this. Okay, I'm going to use this template. Okay, so actually you can see down here, right, you can choose from many templates that you want. Okay, so for simplicity sake, I'm just gonna stick to this. Alright, I'm gonna call my website. Okay, I'm gonna edit it. I'm just gonna call it digital. Alright, just a simple name. Okay, and I'm gonna erase this furniture word. Alright, and I'm gonna move it slightly to the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna drag. I'll just move it to the left a bit. Alright, I'll just make do with this logo. Okay, I'll just download it. This is just an example. Alright, okay, so I'll download in PNG format. Okay, it's free. Okay, Okay, I'm going to cross this. I'm going to show you guys the logo, okay? This is the logo. Alright, it's free. Okay, so there you go. This is how you get a free logo done. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next lecture.